here we are at Cardigan Castle at the Ceredigion Marine Monitoring Conference. A great morning, and we've got an afternoon session now, and already we're getting some great feedback from the citizen science that we've got here and the more scientific people. So the data monitoring side, how we can actually improve on that, plus also the quality of the data, the quality control of what's happening and what we can learn from that. And also the key thing for me is the great response we're getting from the citizen science. We're getting more and more citizen science involved, and we're actually getting ideas for widening our stakeholder into the marine environment as well as the catchment as well. So it's really good to see what's going on, and hopefully, and this has all been happening in less than 4 years. Where will we be in a decade, who knows? So it's great to see this, and hopefully we can continue on this great development we're doing at the moment.